fellows, one of our students who are fitness freak, international gym competition winner, bodybuilding competition winner. Today he came to our organization, he studied and he became software engineer also. So let us hear from him how he got job, what hard work he did to get job. Let us hear from him.
So it was quite a long journey, around 4 to 5 months. I learned here a lot, like starting from Java and after that SQL and after the manual testing and automation also. So I enjoyed a lot and yeah, it was struggling also because starting from day one, we are coming here from 8 o'clock and staying here till 6 o'clock doing boot camp, doing presentation, and also Niranjan sir also gave so much support for doing boot camps and special thanks to Niranjan sir also and SKR sir also. They have guided us a lot. And throughout this journey, I learned one thing that if you want, you can get. But you have for that you have to do the hard work only. Because without hard work, I don't think that you can get what you want. First of all, you have to decide what you want. Then only you can get what you think like that. So yeah, SKR sir guided us a lot, and Niranjan sir also and Sagar sir also. They sometimes he also helped us a lot, like for doing boot camp and regular presentations and all. So thanks to each and everyone, and also our HRs who help us, and like starting from Sonu ma'am and Prerna ma'am, and also the counselors also help us a lot, and they cooperate us a lot. So thanks to them, thanks everyone, and thank you all.
Congratulations and all the best.